Curious what makes Klein Tools stand out from the rest? Klein Tools keeps pushing boundaries with smart designs and serious durability built for real work. In this video, we're checking out some of the most impressive Klein Tools innovations that help boost efficiency, accuracy, and overall performance on the job or during a do-it-yourself project. Tired of digging through messy toolboxes just to find one thing? MODbox drawer boxes from Klein Tools bring a smarter way to store and organize your gear. Built with impact-resistant polymers, these boxes connect together easily so you can build a mobile workstation that fits your setup. Options with 1, 2, or 3 drawers each hold up to 50 pounds, while reinforced bottom channels help prevent sagging over time. Smooth ball-bearing slides make every drawer glide open, and a steel-reinforced latch keeps everything locked down securely. MODbox drawer boxes also feature side rails and a lid with a molded ruler and V-groove, making measuring and quick access surprisingly convenient. Ever wish you could see inside tight spaces without tearing things apart? Klein Tools utility Borescope ET17 makes inspections way easier with a bright 4.3-inch color screen that delivers sharp images and video, plus 3x zoom for a closer look. Rotating the display up to 180 degrees helps you find the perfect angle, while a 10-foot flexible nylon snake slips into narrow spots with magnet, hook, and mirror attachments ready to grab or inspect whatever is hiding inside. A 5.5mm waterproof camera with adjustable light-emitting diodes and 4 brightness levels keeps everything visible, even in dark or damp areas. Klein Tools utility Borescope ET17 also records photos and video, includes a clock and calendar, connects through a universal serial bus port, and runs for up to 3 hours. Messy debris flying everywhere can slow down any job fast. Klein Tools' Collapsible Dust Bowl helps keep things clean by catching dust and chips while cutting holes with saws up to 6 3/8 inches wide. A friction-fit port connects easily to most common vacuum hoses, pulling debris away the moment it starts building up. Inside, a smooth, sealed ball-bearing collar reduces friction while working with the hole saw arbor, helping the cut stay steady and controlled. Dual material construction gives the bowl a firm start, then flexes as the cut goes deeper through the material. A translucent body makes alignment simple, and once the work is done, the Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl folds down neatly for compact storage. Clean network connections start with the right tool in hand. Klein Tools Pass-Thru Crimper is built for voice and data jobs, making it easy to work with RJ45 pass-through connectors without the usual hassle. One compact tool handles stripping, crimping, and cutting, while trimming wires perfectly flush with the connector to prevent unwanted conductor contact. A full-cycle ratchet mechanism helps ensure every termination is tight and secure, whether you're working with 4, 6, or 8-position connectors. An on-tool wiring guide helps reduce mistakes, and the rubber grip keeps things comfortable during longer jobs. Klein Tools Pass-Thru Crimper also works with flat or round cables from 28 to 22 American wire gauge, giving you dependable results every time. Accuracy on the go just got a lot easier to handle. Klein Tools compact laser levels pack serious precision into a small, job-ready design built for professionals who move from task to task. Bright laser lines available in green and red help with clean alignment and layout, while a self-leveling pendulum system automatically keeps measurements accurate. A magnetic mount that rotates a full 360 degrees makes positioning simple, and tripod threads add even more setup options when needed. Klein Tools compact laser levels are also built tough for daily job site use, giving you reliable performance whether you're lining up detailed installs or laying out larger projects. Protect your hands without slowing down your work. Klein Tools general-purpose gloves combine comfort and function, letting you use touchscreens without ever taking them off. Soft suede palms give a solid grip and resist wear, while the flexible knit back keeps your hands nimble and breathable all day. A secure hook and loop wrist strap plus a strong thermoplastic rubber pull tab makes slipping them on or off quick and easy. Machine washable for simple cleanup, these gloves handle tools, tech, and everything in between, making Klein Tools general-purpose gloves a go-to choice for anyone who wants protection and connectivity in one. Take your toolkit to the next level with Klein Tools KNECT system, built for versatility and serious power. This impact-rated driver and ratchet setup uses clever adapters to switch easily between ratcheting hand drivers, pass-through wrenches, and impact drivers. Its slim design helps you reach tight spaces, while pass-through extensions make working on recessed areas and threaded rods effortless. Compatible with screwdrivers, socket wrenches, and power tools, plus backward compatible with traditional square driver sockets, the KNECT system opens up endless possibilities for high torque and heavy-duty jobs. Tracking wires and breakers has never been easier. Advanced Circuit Tracer Kit helps professionals find energized or dead circuits quickly, whether behind drywall, through cement blocks, or even underground. Adjustable sensitivity lets you pinpoint single wires, conduits, or bundles, while the receiver shows signal strength with both sound and visuals. A built-in flashlight and non-contact voltage function make testing energized wires safer, and the transmitter covers both alternating and direct current voltages. Complete with all accessories and a sturdy carrying case, the Advanced Circuit Tracer Kit delivers reliable performance and keeps everything organized for electricians and technicians on the move. Fishing wires through walls has never been this simple. Klein Tools magnetic wire puller uses powerful rare earth magnets and a flexible stainless steel leader to grab and guide wires behind finished walls or in tight spots. Glide the handheld magnetic unit over the wall and let the magnets pull your wire smoothly, while mar-resistant wheels protect surfaces and a pivoting handle with a comfort grip makes it easy to maneuver. It even doubles as a metal stud finder with built-in marking notches. Packed in a sturdy carrying case, the magnetic wire puller from Klein Tools turns tricky wire runs into fast, efficient work. Removing insulation has never been this smooth. Klein Tools' large cable stripper handles cables from 250 MCM up to 2x0 with ease, thanks to its clever clover design that fits 4 wire sizes in one compact tool. Just insert the cable and twist for clean, precise cuts every time, leaving utility knives behind. Built tough for long-lasting use, it works with top brand cables like CME wire and Southwire, giving reliable performance on every job. Professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts alike will appreciate how quickly and safely the large cable stripper makes wire prep simple and efficient. Check voltage safely and accurately with Klein Tools testers built for every job. ET60 is a solid-state tester that reads alternating and direct current up to 600 volts without batteries, using the circuit's own power, while bright LEDs and low input impedance keep readings accurate and reliable. For more advanced tasks, ET250 adds a digital display, automatic voltage and continuity detection, GFCI testing, and a backlit screen with a built-in flashlight for low-light jobs. Rugged and job site ready, both testers resist drops, dust, and water, giving you dependable performance wherever you work. Inspect tight spaces like a pro with Klein Tools ET16 Borescope for Android. This compact, lightweight device plugs directly into your phone using OTG 4.0 or higher, so no bulky screens or batteries are needed. Its 10-foot waterproof cable and 6 adjustable LED lights make it easy to see inside engines, walls, or machinery. A Type-C connector plus mini universal serial bus adapter give flexible compatibility, while capturing, saving, and sharing photos or videos straight from your phone keeps documentation simple. Built for professionals and do-it-yourself enthusiasts alike, the ET16 Borescope makes inspections faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Never guess if a wire is live again. KleinTOOls NCVT3 non-contact voltage tester detects alternating current from 12 to 1000 volts, giving clear visual and audible alerts so you always know when voltage is present. A bright built-in flashlight lights up your workspace, and the LED bar graph shows voltage strength at a glance. More lights mean higher voltage or closer proximity. The audible beep increases as you get closer to the source, making detection simple and intuitive. Rugged, dust-proof, waterproof, and drop-resistant, the NCVT3 is built for tough job sites, and its compact design with pocket clip keeps it ready whenever you need it. Keep everything organized and easy to carry with KleinTOOls Tradesman Pro Organizer Tech Bag. It separates your laptop from tools while offering 22 pockets for adapters, cables, phones, and even files. The bright orange interior makes finding items fast, and a water-resistant bottom plus protective guards keep gear safe from spills and rough surfaces. Comfortable handles and a shoulder strap make transport simple, while rugged construction ensures it stands up to daily use. KleinTOOls Tradesman Pro Organizer Tech Bag is built for technicians, contractors, and tradespeople who need their tools and tech ready and accessible all day. Carry all your gear with ease using KleinTOOls Tradesman Pro Organizer Backpack. 39 pockets give plenty of room for tools, accessories, and small parts, while a hard molded front pocket keeps safety glasses protected. The bright orange interior makes finding items fast, and the wide main compartment fits drills, meters, and flashlights comfortably. A tough molded bottom shields gear from rough surfaces, and the large front pocket is perfect for storing fish tapes. Built to handle demanding jobs, the Tradesman Pro Organizer Backpack blends durability and smart organization for any professional on the move. Trace and test coaxial cables quickly with KleinTOOls Coax Explorer 2. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, this tester uses simple push-button operation to check cable status and trace wires with ease. A bright LED panel shows pass, open, or short, making issues easy to spot, while included red and color-coded remotes let you test up to 4 cables at once. Powered by 2 AAA batteries and featuring a convenient carrying clip, KleinTOOls Coax Explorer 2 delivers reliable, clear results for troubleshooting or installation, keeping cable work simple and efficient. Tackle any job with ease using KleinTOOls MODbox utility cart, built to haul, organize, and serve as a mobile workstation all in one. With a weight capacity of up to 500 pounds, it can handle heavy tools, equipment, and materials without strain. Standing 39 inches tall, it provides a comfortable work surface no matter where you set it up, whether on a rough construction site or in a cramped workshop. The 6-inch rugged rubber wheels glide smoothly over uneven terrain, making transportation simple and efficient. Built-in conduit notches, spool leg holes, and accessory rails turn this cart into more than just a mover. It becomes a versatile job site companion, ready for everything from cutting and measuring to holding tools within easy reach. Durable, smartly designed, and highly functional, the KleinTOOls MODbox utility cart is a must-have for professionals who need organization, mobility, and reliability all in one tool. KleinTOOls MODbox Area Light brings powerful illumination to any job site, making dark corners and tight spaces easy to work in. Pumping out up to 1,000 lumens, it delivers bright, clear light so you never miss a detail. The head rotates a full 360 degrees, letting you aim the beam precisely, while versatile mounting options, including strong magnets and a nail notch, keep it secure almost anywhere. Built to withstand tough conditions, its impact-resistant design survives drops up to 9 feet, and the dust-tight, waterproof construction ensures reliable performance in all environments. USB-C rechargeability keeps the light ready for long shifts without needing batteries, while 3 light modes let you adjust brightness for different tasks. With up to 21 hours of runtime, the KleinTOOls MODbox area light provides all-day illumination, making it a durable, versatile, and essential tool for professionals who need visibility and efficiency on every job. Breathing safely on the job is non-negotiable, and KleinTOOls P100 half-mask respirator delivers top-tier protection. Rated to filter 99.97% of airborne particles, this mask acts as a reliable shield in hazardous environments. Dual inhalation valves reduce moisture buildup, keeping filters effective longer and making every breath clean and dry. A downward-facing exhalation valve directs airflow away from your face, improving comfort during long shifts. The push-in fit check makes securing the mask quick and simple, so you know it's properly sealed before starting work. Lightweight yet durable, the KleinTOOls P100 respirator is built for extended use, whether you're on a busy job site or handling a challenging do-it-yourself project at home. Reliable, comfortable, and highly protective, it's a must-have for anyone serious about personal safety. Carry, organize, and work smarter with KleinTOOls MODbox Hybrid Toolbox, built for professionals who need flexibility on the move. The removable lid converts the box into an open crate, perfect for larger tools or bulky materials, and it conveniently attaches to the bottom when not in use, so it never gets lost. With an IP64 rating, it handles dust and water while standing up to tough job site conditions. Supporting up to 75 pounds, it holds heavy tools without issue. Inside, 2 adjustable dividers and a removable tool tray give customizable storage for small parts or hand tools, keeping everything organized and accessible. A steel-reinforced lock location adds security when needed, making it reliable on site or workshop use. Compact, versatile, and rugged, the KleinTOOls MODbox Hybrid Toolbox is designed to be a mobile workstation that adapts to every project with ease. That wraps up our look at the coolest Klein tools taking your work to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with friends or colleagues who need to see these tools in action. Hit subscribe to keep more videos like this coming straight to your feed so you never miss out on the latest gear, tips, and tool reviews.